He's like the guru. You ever see him on
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, this dude is bugging. He's just one of those kids.
Right. Actually, I don't want to see him get hurt because I don't want this baby to be running.
Oh, that one doesn't look too
The one
bad.
to the right.
Yeah. Oh, dude. I don't even believe this kid is... Nah, actually, you gotta bring this kid out more. Oh, so close. So close, dude. You were right there. You were right there. Maybe I should just do it once.
Came out?
Right. Could see why it needed a rebuild. Yo. Yo, I don't believe what I'm seeing right now.
We'll hand it to him though, he has some balls.
Fuck yeah.
No chest protector or anything. Just hitting that hardcore.